guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel and Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making the Ore-Ida extra crispy tater tots in our Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. You guys, they're super crispy. My kids got to them first, so that's why you see a little bit on the plate. But we made half a bag in our Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. You guys, they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They're perfect. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Instant Pot air fryer lid or dual crisp recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's dive right in, you guys. Alright, so to get started, we're only going to need our basket. And if you want to use the broiler lid or the dehydrator tray to create a second layer, you're more than welcome to. And I'm using avocado oil in my Evil oil sprayer. And all I'm going to do is actually just spray the basket so that the potatoes don't stick to the basket at all. So, I'll show you guys. Couple sprays, and now we're going to add our tater tots. These are the extra crispy tater tots. It's about half a bag. I'm gonna pour that in and show you. It's just a little bit over a layer, so about two layers max, but that's the whole point of shaking, is so that it cooks evenly. So we are going to add our air fryer lid. Let me get the cable in here. There we go. Let's get a closer look. Alright, let me fix the camera. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and select air fry 400 degrees. And we're going to select 20 minutes. And about 10 minutes we're going to shake them up. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we are at our halfway mark. It's 10 minutes in, and I want to show you guys. You can see how golden they are already, but it's time to turn the basket or shake them up. So I have my little mitts and the silicone mitts, but all we're going to do is, oh, there I go, 1 second. We want to shake them up so doesn't look like they're shaking too much. I'm just going to bring in a spatula here, or a spoon, and stir them up. Get this. We're going to add our lid back on, and we'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright, so there's about 30 seconds remaining, and I'm going to select cancel. I'll show you guys. Look at those crispy tater tots. Go ahead and bring them out. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Oh yeah. And that's how you would make tater tots in the Instant Pot using our air fryer lid. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.